I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to automatically notify someone when you arrive at a destination using the check-in feature on iPhone. Step 1. Open the Messages conversation with the person or people you want to automatically notify when you arrive somewhere using iPhone check-in. And to be clear, you can only do this if everyone is using an Apple device, and you can't do this if someone is using an Android device. Step 2. Tap the plus icon to open a menu and then tap Check-in in that menu. A window opens letting you know that this feature will automatically let your friends know when you get to a destination. Step 3. Tap Continue on this screen and the next screen until you get to a screen telling you to choose the data you'd like to share if you don't arrive. Step 4. In the event you don't make it to your destination, choose what data you want to share with this person. You can choose to either share limited data, which includes current location and details about battery and network signal for iPhone and Apple Watch, or you can choose to share full data, which includes everything you'd shared with limited, plus your route traveled and the location of your last iPhone unlock. Make your selection and then tap Continue. The next screen lets you know that this person will be notified when you create the check-in, when you arrive at your destination, if you are delayed, or if your iPhone is offline for an extended period of time. Step 5. Tap Send a Check-in. You'll return to that message thread where you'll see a check-in is queued up to send. But don't send it yet because we need to define where we want to check in to. Go ahead and tap Edit in that box. A window opens where you can edit the details of that check-in. Step 6. Choose the When I Arrive tab and then tap Change next to Select a Location. The Change Location window opens. Step 7. Input the destination you want to check into and then tap Done. You'll return to the check-in screen where you'll see your details. Additionally, you should review the estimated travel time section where you can change your mode of transit or add extra time. Tap Done when you're finished. You'll now see the check-in item includes your destination. Step 8. Tap to send your check-in info to your chat. You can tap Details in this item at any time to see your check-in details or cancel your check-in if you need to. To cancel a check-in, just tap Cancel Check-in and then Cancel Check-in again. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.